Now here's how you can make iPhone turn off after 30 seconds. So this is pretty simple as you can easily just set it up inside of the settings. So we're gonna head in the iPhone settings right away, and from the available options, I want you to scroll down a bit until you get inside of the display and brightness section, right? And in here, you essentially have a couple of different options like the night mode and light mode and all the stuff, right? But I want you to click on the auto lock feature, which means that after which period of time your iPhone will automatically turn off, in the sense that it's just going to go black and lock itself. It's not like it's going to turn off entirely, right? But yeah, that's kind of obvious. Anyways, inside in here, the lowest option is literally the 30 seconds, so you cannot make it any lower than that. So yeah, just tap on this if you wish. Then these other options are possible to set up as well. I personally like to have it at 5 minutes because I feel that's kind of appropriate for me. So go ahead and pick whatever suits your needs. But apparently if you looked up the 30 seconds video, then likely it's going to be the 30 seconds. So once you do set it up, then you're going to notice that after half a minute of inactivity, the iPhone is just going to go black, and that's going to be about it. So thanks for watching this very quick video. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know by hitting the like button, subscribe to this channel as well for more videos in the future, and I'll see you in the next one.